Hello, my name is Philip Navarro, and I'm proposing a new network design in the historical district of Delray Beach. We have two companies merging together to become one. One consists of 40 employees with an IT administrator, and the other consists of 10 employees with no IT administrator. They're currently using outdated software and hardware, and as an accounting firm, they're going to need the latest technology if they want to be up to date. The plan is to be able to expand with minimal investment besides the initial investment and make the interfaces very user friendly, minimal complications, good GUIs, lots of speed, lots of memory. I think that's going to be the best bet. Previously they were using a peer-to-peer network. I propose a client-server network. Keeping all the files together, being one larger company, is going to be a lot easier for management to keep control of. Security measures are much higher. The network that I choose, it's not going to be a wired network. It will be a wireless network, and the reason being, in the historical building, there really can't be any structural changes done to it. That's just part of the lease agreement. So a wireless network is going to be ideal. Everything that we use, all the devices and computers that we're using, and the servers and the access points, they're all wireless. Are all wireless ready, and they're all compatible with each other. Since there are 50 employees, we're going to need 50 workstations, 8 of which are going to be Macintosh. The marketing department chooses Macintosh because of the graphics abilities and just the different options that Macintosh offers that PC doesn't. I propose 42 HP Pavilion HPE H8 XT series desktops. Each of these desktops have an Intel Core i7 quad-core processor. The reason I chose this is I actually own one. It's very, very fast. I could never imagine using anything else. My belief is you get what you pay for, and spend a little bit more money now and get the good processor. Probably last you a lot longer, and the capabilities are endless. The units also have 8 gigabytes of RAM per unit, and actually can expand to 16 gigabytes of RAM. The hard drive is a 1.5 terabyte hard drive, which is plenty of room for storage and anything you wanted to put on there. They're all uploaded with Internet Explorer. They're all uploaded with 64-bit Windows 7 Professional. Each of them have a 2-year limited warranty. The monitor that I chose is HP 2011 20-inch LED monitor. The reason I picked this was it's Energy Star qualified and EPEAT Silver registered. It has a 3,000,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio. Each of the units also have free Nework antivirus for 15 months. The main server will have its own antivirus, which will probably make it unnecessary for the other PCs to have antivirus, but it comes with it. It's a bundle package. Being an accounting firm, they're all running NetSuite accounting software. This is one of the latest software packages, and it has all the needs that they're not going to need anything else besides that. Besides all the regular suite that come with Microsoft Professional. The marketing department is going to have 8 27-inch 3.1 gigahertz iMac computers, each of which have 4 gigabytes of RAM. Each of them have an Intel Core i5 processor, and 1 terabyte hard drives. All this means is that they're going to have plenty of storage, plenty of room to do any job that they need to do without any limitations. The AMD Radeon HD graphics card in the iMacs is one of the best graphics cards around. This will allow them speed, and it actually has a 1 gigabyte memory on that card. Also, the graphics design software they'll be using for the iMacs is AutoCAD. These also come with wireless mouse and a keyboard. All the computers are wireless ready. No need for a wireless graphics or a wireless PCI card. The server that I chose is the Primergy TX150 S7 file server. This is equipped with an Intel Xeon processor X3430. It's preloaded with Microsoft Windows Server 2008 R2 Standard Edition. It also has 4 3.5 inch hot plug hard drive bays, and it can hold up to 32 gigabytes of RAM. The firewall that I chose is a Barracuda NG firewall model F400. This is going to satisfy all incoming traffic maintenance. It'll prevent viruses from coming through. It'll prevent hackers from logging on. There's a 128-bit encryption device. And being an accounting firm, it's really going to be beneficial to have the most security possible. There's a few more businesses here. Okay, for the backup, Carbonite Online Backup Solutions is going to be the best bet. There was a few different options for backup, and after doing some research, I discovered that online backups are going to be the best. A physical backup is great, but doing the online backup actually provides extra security. Carbonite Online Backup Business Solutions is actually very reasonable in price also. You'll probably get it for about $600 a year, which is not bad for a small business, provided they're using it regularly. The backups I recommend is weekly. Honestly, like for each individual workstation, I would do it nightly, and then for the entire company, I would do it probably once a week, just to make sure that there's no issues. Switches. We're going to need 2 ProSafe 48-port smart switches. This is going to allow all the devices and workstations to work properly. Bandwidth will definitely be optimized. Fast processing, fast upload and download transfer rates, and definitely create minimal issues with crashing and resources and anything else that could slow down your computer or your network. A Netgear router is definitely going to be something we need also for this network. The WRV210 Cisco wireless router. The reason I chose this router is because Cisco is actually one of the safest companies to go with when it comes to internet security, and there's plenty of support to back up its products. All the products that I've mentioned have excellent support, online tech support, troubleshooting, and they will solve any problem. Some devices that would be good for the network is some LaserJet printers. HP makes a great one. The HP LaserJet Pro multifunction printers. What I figure is the building is 5 stories. Oh, it's actually 6 stories, and there's a basement. But the offices are going to be located on 5 different floors. I propose 1 multifunction printer per floor. Seeing that even at that ratio, maybe 10 employees per printer. If there needs to be more, we can always add another one, or 2, or 3. The printers are a little pricey, but they should last you a lot of years. You could probably pick one up wholesale for about $3,500. The access points that I recommend on each floor are going to be the Cisco AP500 series wireless access points. These comply with the 802.11n wireless technology. The wireless network is actually my choice because there's no cords. Security is a little less than a wired network, but considering the circumstances and the historical building, the wireless network is actually going to be the best bet. All these hardware and software recommendations are just recommendations. They can be edited at any time, but I believe with these components a good network can be built and maintained by management. Management has the key and can delegate delegate workstations to access different data. They can filter different data. They can, the possibilities are endless. There's so many different functions that the Microsoft Windows Server can do. The 2008 R2 Standard Edition. Well, my name is Philip Navarro, and I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.